Hi everyone, we are going to have a look at multiplication and division. So first of all, let's have a quick revise of multiplying and dividing by 10, 100 and 1,000. So you can use place value charts to help you multiply by 10, 100 and 1,000. It can help you easily see how they increase in value, or if we're dividing, how they decrease in value. Now, to help you remember, if we're timesing by 10, our digits will move one place to the left. If we times by 100, 2 places, and 1,000, 3 places. So let's have a look at this first example. 4.2 times by 10 equals 42. As you can see, 4.2 in the chart here. We then move it one place to the left to give us the answer 42. We don't have any numbers after the decimal point, so we don't have to include it. Next example, 3.12 times by 100 equals 312. This time we are moving 2 places to the left. We don't have any numbers after the decimal point now, so we don't have to include it. So our answer would be 312. Next example, 0.04 times by 1,000. So this time we're going to move the digits 3 places to the left. We don't have any numbers after the decimal point now, so we don't have to include it. So our answer would be 40. Now let's have a little look at dividing by 10, 100 and 1,000. So this time our digits are going to move to the right. They are decreasing, they're getting smaller in value. So 24 divided by 10 will move our digits one place to the right, ending in 2.4. So we do this time have a digit after the decimal place. We've got a 4 in the tens, so we would need to make sure we've got our decimal place in our answer. Here we have 723 divided by 100. This time we are going to move our digits 2 places to the right. So we would end with the number 7.23. Here we have 6,510 divided by 1,000. So this time they have moved again 3 places to the right. The 0 has moved into the thousandths column, but you don't have to write it in your answer. So as you can see in the place value chart, it is 6.510, but when we write our answer, we can just write 6.51. Now we'll have a little look at how to multiply 2 and 3-digit numbers by a 1 or a 2-digit number. Now, when we are setting out our short multiplication, it's really important to make sure the place value and the digits are in the correct place. So here we have got 44 multiplied by 8. We'll start by timesing 8 by the 4 units, which gives us 32. We carry the extra 3 across. Then we'll do 8 times 4 again. And we need to make sure we add in this digit in red here, the extra 3, to give us the answer 352. Here we have a 4-digit number multiplied by a 2-digit number. Now, as you can see, when we are doing this, we have what I like to call a double equals. Okay, so we multiply first of all by our units. So we've times everything here by 6 to get the answer 7,242. We're now going to look at multiplying by the second digit here, which is the 3, which is 30. We'll put our place value holder in, okay, and then we can start multiplying by the 3. 3 times 7 gives us 21. We carry the extra 2 to the next column. 3 times 0 will give us 0, so we need to make sure we add that extra 2 into our column. 3 times 2, 6, and 3 times 1, 3. Now, our last step with our double equals here, everything is lined up properly. We need to add together our 2 answers. 2 add 0, 2, 4 add 1, 5, 2 add 2, 4, 7 add 6, 13, carry the t across, and 3 add the extra t would give us 4. So our answer, 43,452. So now we'll have a quick look at how to divide. Now we have here our bus stop method, which we've been practicing really hard with. Again, it's important that we set everything out correctly. We then look at what we're dividing by. We see how many of this fits into our 8. So 4 goes into 8 2 times. Then we see how many 4s go into 4 1 time. Our answer would be 21. 84 divided by 4 is 21 because 4 fits into 84 21 times. Here we have a larger number, okay, and again we've still got our bus stop method. We are going to divide this time by 5. So we put the digit we're dividing by on the outside of the bus stop, and then we're going to see how many times we can fit the 5 into each of these digits. So 5 fits into 7, one time with a remainder of 2. Carry that across, and we now get 25. And as you can see, 5 fits into 25 perfectly 5 times, and we don't have any remainders to carry across. 5 fits into 8 perfectly 1 time, but we do have a remainder of 3 to carry across. We've now got 30. 5 fits into 30 exactly 6 times. We have got no remainders left, so our answer would be 1,516. Okay, here are a few questions if you would like to have a look and have a practice and enjoy dividing and multiplying.